In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable game mode on your LG TV both with and without a remote. Let's get started. If you have your LG remote, press the Settings button, gear icon on it. Navigate to All Settings, Picture Mode. From there, select Game Mode from the list of options. This reduces input lag and optimizes your TV for gaming. Alternatively, if you're using an HDMI-connected console, the TV might automatically detect it and prompt you to switch to game mode. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't have the remote, you can still enable game mode using the physical buttons on the TV. Look for the control panel on the back or side of your LG TV. These buttons are usually labeled. Press the Menu or Settings button to bring up the on-screen menu. Use the directional buttons to navigate to Picture Mode and select Game Mode. Some LG TVs also allow you to hold down the Input button on the TV to toggle between modes, so check your TV's manual for specifics. Another option is using the LG TV Plus app on your smartphone. Download the app, connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, and use it as a virtual remote to access the settings and enable game mode. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope your gaming experience on your LG TV is smoother than ever. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it useful.